Okay.
Okay.
Now I'm gonna wake Chamaka. And okay, me and you gonna wake Chamaka. And then you babu Chamaka. Then you're gonna go to fetch Chloe. Okay?
This primer, I don't know if it's because it's glitter primer. It's rainbow palette. And we're going to take
Yes, glitters.
shade.
That one glitters. That
Yeah.
one glitters. This one even can go inside the eyes. If you don't close your eyes, you go inside your eyes.
So I'm going to take this white part, this grayish or whitish. I put it on my so give the eye that opening, then we're going to use
Bye bye. Going to my home. Going to my home. Going to my home. Going to my home. Bye bye. I'm going to my home. 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 Silly mouth. Even silly when I lose your mouth. And baby girl, I jump. That's your way. Even silly when I'm moving. I'm going to climb up. No, when I'm going to my room. Let's go, my baby. I don't want. Why you don't want? Because you're crazy. Don't play. This is my small sister. Oh, boom, 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 boom. Oh, fly. This is my another sister. This is all my sisters. This is my big baby sister. We have a lot of sisters. Yes. This is my sister. This is my photo for my babies. This is my new bed. I'm not playing with Tumi. I'm not playing with Tumi. I'm not playing with Tumi. Yes, 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 yes. Yes. I something this one because it was in red a little bit same as rice stuff.
So you're going to softly remove this. Softly remove this. Softly remove this. Softly remove this. After, never leave the corners. Never ever leave the corners. So we're going to chop off these corners.
I have something for you.
Chop off. From the other side, we're going to chop off. We're going to enjoy. This one is going to look a little bit heavier because there is glitter in it. And it's blue. Guys, I love blue.
It is a disco party. Yes, free.
Okay, so let us go. Let us go. So I'm going to put this clear. The advantage of clear glue is when you make a mess, it will not show. But if it's a black glue, when you make a mess, it will smudge all over. It will smudge. I'm telling you. Okay. So before the glue gets dry, I'll cave it. Something like this. Okay. You need to do this. It will be easier for you to apply. Okay. Then you just leave it for some less than 2 minutes to make it tacky. Make it tacky. So the glue, you don't need to put small. You don't need to put small. You don't need to put too much. You just have to put enough and make sure that there is enough glue on the corners because it tends to rise. Okay. So here I'll take my mirror. Something like this. make sure I place it on top of the natural lashes, not too much far, but on top.
Wow, I love it. Yeah, I'm pressed. Want me to slap you? Yes. This one not eating. I want eating.
It's on top of the natural lashes.
No.
Then I'll press it in. Press it in.
Go.
Press it in to dry in. Okay, alright. It's heavy, guys. This is heavy. These glitters just make things heavy on me, guys. This is heavy. Why am I always struggling with this side? Why? Why do I feel like crying? I feel like crying. Why are you touching them?
Guys.
I feel like crying. The blue. You are shaking. Can you come out of there?